Your house is quietly leaking money and style, and most of it is fixable for less than the price of a nice dinner. Stick around because upgrade number 4 completely changed how my living room feels, and I promise it costs less than $20. Before we get into it, if you're into simple home upgrades that actually make a difference, hit subscribe now so you don't miss the next one. Okay, let's get into it. Home improvement videos love to show you $10,000 kitchen remodels. And that's fun to watch, but most of us don't have that kind of budget lying around in 2026. What we do have is $100 and a Saturday afternoon. So today I'm walking you through real, doable upgrades that transform how a space looks and feels without draining your bank account. These aren't gimmicks. I've either done these myself or tested them extensively, so you're getting the honest version, including what's actually worth your money and what's not. Upgrade 1. Swap your light bulbs and fixtures. Lighting is the single most underrated upgrade in any home. Builders almost always install the cheapest, harshest bulbs possible, and that cold blue white light makes even a beautiful room feel like a hospital waiting area. For under $25, you can grab warm white LED bulbs around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin and instantly make a room feel cozier. If you want to go further, swapping out a boring flush mount ceiling fixture for a simple modern one runs about $30 to $40 and takes maybe 20 minutes with a screwdriver and a little patience. This one change alone gets more compliments from guests than almost anything else on this list. Upgrade 2. Cabinet and drawer hardware. If your kitchen or bathroom cabinets feel dated, before you think about repainting or replacing them, look at the hardware. Old, worn-out knobs and pulls make an entire kitchen look tired, even if the cabinets themselves are in great shape. A pack of modern black or brushed gold handles costs anywhere from $20 to $40, depending on how many doors you have, and swapping them out takes an afternoon with a drill. This is one of those upgrades that looks like you spent $1,000 when you spent $30. Upgrade 3. Peel and stick backsplash. Full tile backsplashes are expensive and messy to install. Peel and stick tile sheets have gotten dramatically better in the last couple years, and in 2026, there are options that genuinely look like real tile or stone from a few feet away. A kitchen backsplash project usually runs $40 to $70 depending on your wall size, and you can install it yourself in a weekend without hiring anyone. Just make sure your wall is clean and smooth before you start, or it won't stick properly long term. Upgrade 4. Layered lighting with lamps and dimmers. Here's the one I mentioned in the hook. Most rooms rely on one overhead light, which is flat and boring. Adding a floor lamp or table lamp in a corner, paired with a simple plug-in dimmer switch, creates depth and warmth that overhead lighting alone can never give you. A decent lamp costs around $25 to $35, and a plug-in dimmer is another $15. Total cost under $50, and it made my living room feel like a completely different space. This is genuinely one of the highest impact, lowest cost changes you can make in any home. Upgrade 5. Fresh paint on an accent wall. You don't need to repaint an entire house to see a dramatic difference. Picking one wall and giving it a bold, intentional color create a focal point that makes the whole room feel designed rather than default. A gallon of quality paint runs about $35 to $45, which is usually enough for one wall plus a little extra. The key here is picking a color that complements your existing furniture, not fighting against it. Test a small patch first before committing to the whole wall. Upgrade 6. Open shelving for storage and style. Floating shelves are one of the most flexible upgrades on this list because they solve a functional problem, storage, while also adding visual interest. A basic set of 2 or 3 floating shelves costs around $20 to $30, and installation is straightforward as long as you find the wall studs. Use them in a kitchen for spices and cookbooks, in a bathroom for towels, or in a living room to display plants and books. It's storage and decor in one move. Upgrade 7. Smart plugs for an instant upgrade feel. This one surprises people. Smart plugs cost around $10 to $15 each, and they let you control lamps, fans, or holiday lights from your phone, or with voice commands. It sounds small, but it genuinely changes how a home feels to live in day to day. Walking in and having your lights already on, because you set a schedule, makes a home feel more considered and modern, and it's one of the cheapest tech upgrades you can make in 2026. If this list is already giving you ideas for your own space, drop a comment with which upgrade you're trying first. I read every single one, and it helps me know what to cover next. Upgrade 8, a statement mirror. Mirrors do double duty. They make rooms feel bigger and brighter, and a well-chosen frame style instantly upgrades the look of an entryway or living room. You can find quality mirrors in the $40 to $60 range now, especially with sales rotating through home stores regularly. Look for something with a distinct frame, wood, brass, or matte black, rather than a plain glass edge, since the frame is what actually elevates the space. Upgrade 9, greenery that actually survives. Plants make spaces feel alive, but let's be honest, not everyone has a green thumb. High-quality faux plants have improved massively, and a large one in a nice pot runs about $25 to $35. If you do want real plants, look for low-maintenance options like pothos or snake plants, which are nearly impossible to kill and cost around $15 to $20 each. Either way, a plant in an empty corner instantly makes a room feel finished. Upgrade 10, caulk and weather stripping. This one isn't glamorous, but it might save you more money than anything else on this list. Cheap caulk and weather stripping, usually under $20 total. Seal gaps around windows and doors that are silently leaking your heating and cooling all year. In 2026, with energy costs still climbing in a lot of areas, this small fix pays for itself within a month or two on your utility bill. It's not exciting to film, but it's honestly one of the smartest $20 you can spend on your home. How to prioritize if you're on a tight budget. If you only have $100 total, and not $100 per project, here's how I'd rank these. Start with lighting, since it affects how every other upgrade looks. Then hardware, since it's quick and dramatic for the cost. Then decide between paint or shelving based on whether your space needs color or storage more. Everything else can wait until your next paycheck. What not to waste money on. Since I promised you an honest video, let's talk about what's not worth it. Skip cheap adhesive wallpaper, unless your walls are perfectly smooth. It peels within months otherwise. Skip bargain bin LED strip lights. The color accuracy is usually terrible and they burn out fast. And be careful with ultra-cheap faucet upgrades. Plumbing fixtures are one area where spending slightly more actually saves you from leaks and replacements down the line. So that's 10 upgrades, all under $100, that can genuinely transform how your home looks and feels in 2026. You don't need a huge budget to make your space feel intentional. You just need to know where to put your money. If you found this useful, subscribe for more real, no-fluff home upgrade content. And let me know in the comments which one of these you're trying first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.